Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute motivation. Bring another quote to try and help kick start your day. And here are those words of wisdom from Dr. Spock. Trust yourself. You know more than you think you do. You may well not think it, but Spock is completely right. You do know more than you actually think. The problem you have right now is that you don't trust yourself and you doubt your ability that you have, when really you are more than capable of smashing anything that you put your mind to. Think about what you're good at and go and use those strengths to help push yourself towards your next win.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.